Natural Gang was good. It's your boy back with a video. And man, today I'm here to tell y'all how I was able to grow my locks at least an inch in a month. So before I get into this video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so y'all can be notified every time I come on here and drop a new video for y'all. But anyway, this is what I've been doing, and this is what I've seen that has been working for me. So usually when I get a retwist, right? I get a retwist like every month, but I stopped doing that. So what I do now is I wait at least a month and a half. So this is like a month and a half of new growth. It's kind of tangled up in the... It's like a month and a half of new growth. And I always see I get most of my new growth for some reason, either like in the back of my locks or on the top of my locks. So that's where most of my new growth come into. And I feel like my back is longer than the front, but it's coming. But what I've been doing is, check this out. I haven't really been washing my hair after I get a retwist because I go that whole month and a half. I mean, I'll wash it if I feel like I really need to wash it, but my hair doesn't really, it's not really itchy. It doesn't have like a lot of buildup in it. So I feel like I don't have to wash it all the time. So I literally go a month now without washing it. But y'all can see it's not too bad. And I think right now I am on, I want to say I just hit my year mark. To be honest, I think it was, or end of March or April. I don't even know. I really didn't keep track, but I think I have hit a year. So this is the progress that I got right now in a year. And this is, I haven't got a retwist since the end of February. So that's the last time. And I really like this look, man, because I don't know what it is. Me personally, I don't like the retwist look. I like when it's just kind of just all over the place, you know. It's like your own identity when you just let it be all over the place like that, you know. And then I also feel like you get a lot more drop once that new growth come in and you just let it sit. I feel like it drops a whole lot more than even having a retwist. I feel like a retwist, all it does is just like make your hair like kind of, what's the word I want to use for that shit? Stiffer? Like, you know, more heavier. It puts more volume in it because you putting the products in there anyway to make it heavier, you know, the locking gel and all that stuff. You know, gives you that little swing and all that. But I like this look. You know, I can rock this for like 2 or 3 months and I'll be perfectly fine. But I also want to show y'all something. So I have certain different textures on my hair. Let me see if this one is one. That's not a good one. Like this. You see how like some of them are like curly at the end. Now, my sister-in-law, she is a loctician herself, and she told me it might be good if I trim them at the end because it's dead hair, but I'm not messing with it. I'm gonna let it keep doing what it do. And I got some that I combined. You can't even tell no more. Like, so this one is 2 locks combined. I should have showed y'all when I first did it. These are 2 locks combined. You can't really tell, but I can tell because it's like, it hasn't really locked on the end, but now it's starting to form its own lock. I have one that's, let me see if I can find that baby. I can't find it. It's like one of them is like splitting right here. Let me see if I can show y'all this. See that? But I ain't trying to mess with it because the rest of it is starting to lock up. But these are combined locks. So they're a little doing their own thing too as well. But anyway, man, I really haven't been doing nothing to my locks at all. Like I wake up, I spray them with water. I got some tree oil too. I take like some hot water. I got like, I don't know, spray bottle, I don't know where it's at. But I take some hot water, right? And I put the tree oil, the tree oil in the bottle, shake it up, and just spray it around my head. Like, some of these is like this one. You see, for instance, at the end, I really want to trim them. What y'all think? Drop in the comments if y'all think I should trim the ends or just let them just go how they are and see what they turn out to be. And yeah, man, just let me know. Also in the comments, man, let me know how, like, what month y'all on, because I know y'all probably thought I was going to give up. I stayed strong this time, and I love it. So anyway, this is the end of the video. I ain't want to make it too long. I just wanted to give y'all an update, if y'all can see, you know. My daughter's got their stuff everywhere. That's the back. Let me see if I can put y'all in the light. Let's go in the bathroom with it. Boom. You know? Yeah. But anyway, man, thank y'all for rocking with y'all boys. For all my loyal subscribers, thank y'all for staying here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Make sure y'all hit the like button so y'all can run my views up for me. And let me know what y'all want to see next, man, because I'm going to start dropping some more content. And so let me know what y'all really, really want to see. All right? Gang.